Let's dive into enabling SNMP on a Palo Alto firewall. First, we start by accessing the WebGUI, because what's better than clicking buttons from a cozy chair? Then, head over to Device Setup Operations, like a digital explorer. Click on SNMP Setup. Yes, it's that easy. Finally, you get to pick your SNMP version, V2C or V3, like choosing between coffee or tea, but much more technical. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Now, let's talk about securing SNMP. If you're using V2C, set the community string. Think of it like a VIP pass. For V3, configure views and users, because not everyone needs access to everything. Assigning views keeps things tidy, and setting authentication and privacy passwords. That's just good security practice, kind of like locking your front door. Simple, right? Almost done. First, enable SNMP on the management interface. Turning it on is kind of important. Then, test your SNMP configuration, because nobody likes surprises. Monitor SNMP traffic to ensure things are running smoothly, and optimize your settings for the best performance. Think of this as fine-tuning a sports car. You want it running at peak efficiency. All right, folks. Step 1. Let's dive into the management interface. This is your gateway to configuring the firewall settings. Think of it as the control room of your spaceship, except fewer flashing lights and no emergency alarms, hopefully. Just navigate to the Setup section and locate the Management tab. Simple enough, right? Let's keep moving. Here we go. Clicking Management Interface Settings is where the magic starts. Think of this as customizing the cockpit of your spaceship. We want this interface to fit our network perfectly, so check those parameters, tweak if needed, and brace yourself for SNMP goodness. Now the crucial step. Check that SNMP box. This is the digital equivalent of flipping a switch that says, "All right, I'm ready to talk SNMP." Once enabled, your firewall can send monitoring data where needed. It's like giving your network a voice, except it only talks in logs, not gossip. Time to set up log forwarding for SNMP traps. This ensures your system sends alerts when needed, kind of like giving your firewall a sixth sense. Just define where the logs should go, save the setup, and voila, you've got a proactive monitoring system in place. Almost there. It's time to commit the changes. Think of this like hitting the save button in a video game, except you're ensuring smooth operations rather than preserving your last epic boss fight. Double-check everything, hit commit, and watch the magic happen. Last but not least, let's verify SNMP functionality. Run a quick test to make sure everything's working smoothly. This is like checking the wiring before turning on a light. Better safe than troubleshooting later. If all's well, your firewall is now SNMP ready. Congratulations, team. Your Palo Alto firewall is officially SNMP enabled. That means better monitoring, better logs, and fewer headaches in the long run. You've just leveled up in firewall management. Welcome to the elite squad. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.